Right, we're at day 8, everyone. Day 8, cup of doom. Let's do this. Hello, Sam here. Right, okay, what am I going to get? What have they left me? Let's go right down the bottom. Right down the bottom. Oh, I got one. Oh, blimey. Right, okay. Are we ready? Tangerines on a tree? Why are there tangerines on a tree? Why tangerines? Another tree. I'm drawing a lot of trees. Okay, so we've got a tree thing going through our story. I've got I don't know whose handwriting that is. I shall have to find them and thank them. Right, so we're doing tangerines on a tree for some reason. So I think this one is actually quite boring to watch because it's literally I've done a tangerine tree, which is essentially a load of orange circles and a load of funny shaped green things for leaves. So yeah, bit boring. I think it's going to be a quick one because I'm really going to speed it up. But essentially, story wise, bing, there you go. They're going to find a tangerine tree in the middle of this new thing. This new valley. They're in a valley? They're in a valley. I haven't written it yet, so, you know, magic of editing and all that. But yeah, they're going to find... I'm worrying this is getting a little religious. We've had dancing Jesus and a fruit tree, so it's not that. It's just not that. So I think it's supposed to symbolise new growth and stuff. And Edmund, he does want his lunch. So he's going to be happy about this. He can have an orange for his lunch, so... Yeah, and I think he and the girl are going to go on a little journey simply because he can't reach. He's stuck in a tree, and she helps him down. There you go, and then picks an orange for him from this tree that does appear in the middle of the other weird bench trees. I was going to draw all the other trees around, but I think I made this too big for that. And then I was like, shall I do a background? And I was but I didn't. I couldn't figure out how to actually do it, whether I wanted to use like a grey, a really light grey, or a blue, and in the end I just left it. I did decide not to use any line art on this, just to see how that would go. I suppose I use the darkest orange to sort of line around the oranges a bit, but essentially there's no line work in this. I like this look. It's a bit more, I don't know, watercolory, painty, maybe, without that prominent black line. That's why I kind of wanted to do like the black trees in the same style as the one before, coming into it, and I was going to draw it from the other page. But let's point out how pretty those pink petals look, having seeped through the page. That's the other thing I was going to do. I was going to put petals on this side of the page, reaching towards the orange tree, so on the other side of the page that type of petal would have seeped through to the girl sitting down. I was going to do that, you know. I can always go back, can't I, really? I can always go back and change this, but that was something else I was going to do. But then I was thinking, do I want the pink and the orange? And I could have done, from what it is, I could have redrawn those trees on this side, actually, because the line art doesn't seep through. So that's an idea I could do. I may muck about with it later. Once I've done the video, I feel I can relax and do everything else I'm supposed to be doing. But yeah, that might be an idea, because it won't seep through. Only the Copic seeps through to the other side. So I could do some more petals coming through. And then some of the plants, some of the bent, twisted trees, or pointy trees really, on the other side. Looking at it on my editing screen, that could happen. Maybe. Yeah. But anyway, I think this is sped up to like 900 because I don't know about you. Comments down below, what do you think? But this was very repetitive. It took me... I don't know how long it took me, actually. Hour and a half, good hour and a half at least, to do all this, just to go over and over and over and do the same thing over and over again. So quite enjoyed doing it, actually. I think the last few leaves I kind of rushed. I was like, come on, I've got stuff to do, let's get on with it. but it was enjoyable to do. But I don't think it's that enjoyable to watch. You let me know what you think. This is quite a boring one, maybe. It's compared to Prince and Party Time Jesus and Existential Dread and all the rest of it, because it is simply just an orange tree. But quite enjoyed it. I may go over it with a bit of a jelly roll pen as well, because the oranges, they always have those pit marks in them, and that would pick up the light, so I could do a few dots on each one. I might play around with this one again. I don't know, I can show you tomorrow if I did. But yeah, it was a boring in comparison one, I suppose. As far as the story goes, it's canon, it has something to do with it, but it on its own is simply an orange tree, and I don't mind that. I don't mind just drawing something for the sake of it, or inking. What word are we supposed to use? Inking or drawing? Everything I do is drawing, but yeah, I enjoyed this one. Not the most exciting to watch, so sorry about that. I'm just doing the same thing over and over again. I'm only halfway through. At this stage I was thinking, oh, come on now. Come on. Then I've got to do the branch, I guess it is. The trunk. It's only a little... I found this picture on the internet, and yeah, I think it's just in a pot, to be honest. So I think it still counts as a tree. I'm sure it's a tree. It's fine. But yeah, I'm looking at it, I'm thinking there's lots of other things I could do, but I wasn't quite brave enough to do it. But I mean, this is in a sketchbook, it doesn't matter, I'm really fed up with these leaves now. You can see me rushing. Oops. But anyway, I'm going to leave it there. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and any comments down below will be really appreciated. I'm enjoying this. Week in, week and a bit in. We're getting there. I think we're fine. We'll do this. We want to do this. We'll do this. But anyway, I shall see you tomorrow. Bye.